So it's the start of the journey. What we see is snow and sky, and hear the sound of snow sizzling. The sunny cold, we feel fresh, we feel the air. Feel its freedom.
It's the start of the journey. Taste the air, snow sizzling. We see snow and sky above the clouds, feeling alive, feeling alive, black eyed, still bright bird, marching against the wind, grey wing. Finding a way in manage, creating amazing hard paths. Black-eyed, still bright bird, marching against the wind, grey wing. Finding a way in manage, creating amazing hard paths. We feel the soft, thrilling wind singing. Beautiful birds up close, a murmuration. We feel freedom singing, risking it for all. Black-eyed, still bright bird, marching against the wind, grey wing. Finding a way in manage, creating amazing hard paths. Black-eyed, still bright bird, marching against the wind, grey wing. Finding a way in manage, creating amazing hard
I can
paths.
see my friends flying. I laid eggs in my own nest that I paved. I can taste sea, air, and a little sea salt. I can touch the silky, liquidy water.
Nesting out
Hear it.
on narrow cliffs, trees shuddering. I can taste sea air. We have tears of joy, the instinct to nest was stronger. In the exhale, black-eyed, still bright, 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 black-eyed, still bright.
I can taste sea, air, and a little sea salt.
Presence here since
I can touch the silky,
it's the start of the
liquidy
journey. Narrow, what we see is snow and sky, and hear the sound of snow sizzling. Loud, white wings, pearl,
shattering
marks.
morning.